also kids.
Hello, kids. Let us learn A to Z 5-letter words. A-P-P-L-E, apple. B-R-E-A-D, bread. C-H-A-I-R, chair. D-A-N-C-E, dance. E-A-R-T-H, earth. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. G-R-A-P-E, grape. H-O-U-S-E, house. I-N-D-I-A, India. J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. K-I-T-E-S, kites. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. M-A-N-G-O, mango. N-I-G-H-T, night. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. R-I-V-E-R, river. S-T-A-R-S, stars. T-A-B-L-E, table. U-N-D-E-R, under. V-O-I-C-E, voice. W-A-T-E-R, water. X-E-N-O-N, xenon. Y-O-U-T-H, youth. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra.
Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.